The first thing you will want to do is to go to studio.youtube.com and log into your YouTube studio. Once you are in your YouTube studio dashboard, you would come to the settings icon. So once you click on the settings icon, that's going to show all of this right here. So you're going to click on channel. So once you click on that, that's going to show you a bunch of things here. Let me zoom out so you see it. Okay, so you can see where it says feature eligibility, right? So you're going to click on this one right here. So that's going to show you a bunch of things again. So you can see all of them here. So I'm going to zoom in now to see clearly. So we can see standard features, intermediate features, advanced features. Of course, you can see all these features are ticked green, which means I've done them. If you've not done them, you need to check these things. Okay, so and where you actually want to be looking at, so you can be able to upload custom thumbnails, is this one right here. So you click on that. So that's going to show you these things right here. So you can see if you have this verified, then you'll be able to do videos longer than 15 minutes, upload custom thumbnails, and then do live streamings, appeal ID content claims, right? So you can see where it says verify. Okay, so if you haven't verified, you're gonna see a button here prompting you to verify using your phone number, and then you would have to go through the process. It's pretty simple. You put in your phone number and you're gonna be sent a code, and then you follow the process, and then you have your channel verified. Once that's done, then you are now able to upload custom thumbnails on YouTube. So now this is the next thing to do. So you're gonna come to Canva. Canva is an app you can download on Play Store or search on Google to download the app. Okay, so once you're logged in, you're gonna see the app like this. So what you want to do is to search thumbnails. Okay, so you're gonna search YouTube thumbnails. You're gonna type this in here. Okay, so that's gonna show you all of these. Some of these are paid, while some are not. Okay, if you're using the paid version, of course you're gonna have access to most of these paid thumbnails here. So let's say I want to use this one here, and this is a free thumbnail. Okay, so I'm gonna click on that. So this is the thumbnail right here. Okay, so now you would want to change it to look exactly like what you want to. Okay, so and how are you going to do that? So let's say I want to change this. What you would want to do is to tap this gently, and then you can see this box within this. That means you can change it right now. So once you do that, then you tap the second time. So you can see the keyboard down here. Okay, so you could just use the delete icon to remove that and write whatever you want to write. Okay, so let's say this thumbnail is about how to play chess, right? So that's it. And so this is what I need, and I don't need this one here, so I can just tap on it. I don't need this one. I can just tap on it and then drag it out of space. Okay, and then this one here, not necessary. I can drag it out, and then boom, you can see that. So that's the wording I need. Okay, so if I want to change the color, what I can do is to use these icons here. Okay, so all you want to do is to play with these icons here and see what it does to the text. Okay, so you can see where it says color. I'm going to click on that, and then if I use this one here, that means everything is going to become white. If I use this, it's going to change it back to black. Okay, so that's basically how you can do this. Okay, so I may want to remove this and then drag it out of there, drag this one out of there, and then this picture looks pretty cool, right? So the next thing might be adding a picture about chess. Okay, so and to do that, you can come to Pixabay. Okay, so this is an app where you can get free pictures. Okay, so I'm gonna search chess right here. So you can see a ton of pictures here about chess, right? So all you need to do is to select one of them that you love. So let's say you choose this one right here. So you're going to touch it, and that's going to bring you here. So you click on the download button to download the image. So once the image is downloaded, you might want to come to this website here, remove.bg, and then click this upload button to upload the image in order to remove the background of the image. So the image has been uploaded and the background has been removed, so you might want to click on the download button to have the image downloaded. And now back on Canva, you're going to use this plus button here to upload the image. So the image is now displayed on the screen. So what you're going to do is to drag the image to expand it, okay, so it looks expanded, okay, and you might want to keep it somewhere here. So still drag the edges to make the image look bigger, okay, so I might want to keep it there so it makes more sense there. And here, how to play chess, right? So I might want to keep it like this. Cool. So that's it, okay. You can upload something like this and it makes more sense, right? This is how you can design a simple thumbnail that will look very attractive. How to play chess. You could change the color to red, okay. It looks, let me try that. Just use these buttons here to create any special effect. So come over here to chess, the red color, and let's see how that looks. I think it is better like this. How to play chess with this right here. So boom, you have your thumbnail created. After this, you click on the download button to have it downloaded. And now the thumbnail is downloaded. So in your YouTube studio, let's say this is the video you just uploaded and then you want to change the thumbnail. So you just click on it and then you can see this button here. Click on that button and then that brings you here. Then the next thing will be to click on this button. Of course, this is not a video about chess, but I'm just using this as an example to show you how you can do that. Then you can see where it says change, right? So you just click on that and then that's going to bring you to all the thumbnails you have, and then you can see right here. So you just click on that one right there and then you can see the thing here, and then you can click on the done button. Boom, you can see, and that's the thumbnail uploaded, right? If I click on save, it will be saved. So that's how you can do this, okay. So this is Big Zelbies and your guy Ken signing out.